Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure Knack to build dashboards and apps step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Knack account. Once logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Click on the Apps tab on the left sidebar. Select Add a new app to start creating your application. Choose a template that fits your needs or select Start from Scratch. Name your app and click on Create App. You will be directed to the App Builder interface. Click on the Database tab to set up your data structure. Create a new object for the data you want to manage. Define the fields for your object according to your requirements. Add various data types such as text, number, date, or file upload. Once the data structure is complete, navigate to the Pages tab. Click Add a page to start designing the layout for your dashboard. Select the type of page you want, such as a table, Kanban, or calendar view. Customize the page layout by dragging and dropping elements. In the settings for each element, link it to the appropriate object and fields. Use filters and actions to enhance user interaction. After designing the dashboard, preview it to ensure all components function correctly. Make adjustments as needed based on your preview. Once satisfied, click the Save button at the top right. To share your app, go to the Settings tab. Set the permissions to control who can access your app. Copy the sharing link provided to distribute it to your intended audience. Test the app by interacting with all features you have set up. Return to the dashboard to manage or update your app as necessary. Congratulations, you have successfully configured Knack to build a dashboard and apps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.